If you're tired of commute drama, the endless traffic jams, the packed trains, and the feeling that your day is over before it's even truly begun, then you're in the right place. If you're done with the sterile, fluorescent-lit world of cubicle farms and the politics of the office kitchen, then you need to try remote gigs that actually pay. We're not talking about pennies for surveys or mind-numbing data entry. We're talking about building a real, sustainable income stream from the comfort of your own home, on your own terms. The goal? $500 a day. It sounds like a dream, but it's more achievable than you think, especially as we head into 2025. The digital landscape is shifting, creating incredible opportunities for those who know where to look. If you're good with words, you can craft narratives that sell. If you're good with data, you can uncover insights that businesses will pay a premium for. And if you're good with people, you can leverage your expertise to guide and advise. If any of this sounds like you, then you need to listen up. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 specific high-leverage online jobs that can realistically get you to that $500 a day mark. We'll cover niche course creation, AI prompt engineering, micro-consulting, sales funnel copywriting, and subscription research packs. If you're ready to hustle smart, then you need these 5 options now. Now, a quick reality check. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Reaching $500 a day requires focus, consistency, and delivering real value. You don't need a fancy degree, but you do need a core skill, a willingness to learn, and a reliable internet connection. For most of these roles, a decent laptop and a few key software subscriptions are all the gear you'll need. Let's dive into the first one. Job 1, Niche Course Creator. Forget trying to teach a broad topic like marketing. The secret here is to go micro. Teach a tiny, high-demand skill. Think advanced formulas for Google Sheets, creating animated social media posts in Canva, or setting up a podcast on a budget. These are specific problems people will gladly pay to solve quickly. Your audience isn't everyone, it's someone struggling with a very particular challenge. The step-by-step process is straightforward. First, research demand. Go to forums like Reddit, Quora, or Facebook groups in your area of expertise. What questions are people asking over and over? That's your course idea. Second, outline your course. Keep it concise. Aim for a 60 to 90-minute total runtime, broken into 5-minute lessons. This is about a quick win for your student. Third, record it. You don't need a Hollywood studio. A tool like Loom or ScreenFlow, a decent USB microphone, and a quiet room are enough. Fourth, host and sell it. Platforms like Gumroad or Teachable make this incredibly easy. They handle payment processing and file delivery. Finally, price it. A common mistake is pricing too low. For a high-value micro course, anything from $99 to $297 is reasonable. Now, the math to $500 a day. Selling a $197 course means you only need to sell 2 or 3 per day. How? Sell bundles to scale. Create 3 related micro courses and bundle them for $497. Now, you only need 1 sale a day. Add a premium tier with a one-on-one coaching call for $797. Create a promotional calendar and run a sale once a quarter. For example, a designer I know created a course on Figma for web developers. He sold it for $240. He then created 2 more, advanced Figma components and client handoffs with Figma. He bundled all 3 for $599. With a small, targeted social media presence, he consistently hits that $500 day average. It's about depth, not breadth. Job 2, AI prompt engineer. This is one of the hottest, most misunderstood roles right now. It's not just about asking an AI to write a blog post, it's about becoming an AI whisperer for businesses. You'll be designing, testing, and refining complex prompt chains that solve specific business problems. This could be creating a prompt system that generates a month's worth of social media content in the company's exact voice, building an internal AI tool for the sales team to answer complex product questions, or developing prompts for Mid-Journey that produce consistent brand imagery. The process starts with a discovery call to understand the client's pain point. Then you prototype prompt solutions using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or specialized platforms. You test rigorously, refining the prompts until they produce reliable, high-quality output. Finally, you deliver the prompts in a clear document, often with a short video explaining how to use them. You craft prompts for businesses that need to scale their content, marketing, or internal operations. For example, a prompt for a real estate company might be, Act as a luxury real estate copywriter, using the following property details. Write a 300-word property listing description that emphasizes scarcity, exclusivity, and the unique lifestyle benefits. Use a sophisticated and aspirational tone. You'd then build on this with prompts for social posts, video scripts, and email newsletters. The key is to charge per package, not per hour. A social media content engine package could be $2,500. A sales enablement AI bot package could be $5,000. To hit $500 a day, or about $10,000 a month, you only need to sell 2 of the $5,000 packages, or 4 of the $2,500 packages per month. This is project-based work with massive leverage. Job 3. Micro-consulting on Clarity.fm or a similar platform. Many experienced professionals are sitting on a goldmine of knowledge but don't want to commit to long-term consulting projects. Micro-consulting is the answer. The premise is simple. You sell your expertise in short, hyper-focused blocks of time. We're talking 30-minute calls, at premium rates. Platforms like Clarity.fm are built for this, but you can also set it up yourself using Calendly and Zoom. The key is positioning. Your profile shouldn't say marketing consultant. It should say, I help SaaS startups fix their leaky onboarding funnel in a 30-minute call. Specificity sells. Optimize your profile with keywords, testimonials, and a clear description of the exact problems you solve. The math is compelling. If you charge $250 for a 30-minute call, you only need 2 calls a day to hit your $500 target. That's just 1 hour of your time. The rest of the day is yours to market your service or work on other projects. A typical call structure involves 5 minutes of introductions, 20 minutes of focused problem solving, and 5 minutes for a clear action plan. Always have an upsell path ready. If the client needs more help, offer a package of 4 calls or a small project. Build social proof by asking every single client for a review. This is your currency. Job 4. Sales funnel copywriter. This isn't just about writing pretty words. It's about architecting a customer journey that converts visitors into buyers. Businesses with a digital product, course, or service live and die by their sales funnel. A good copywriter is worth their weight in gold. Your deliverables include landing page copy, email sequences, like a welcome series or an abandoned cart sequence, video sales letter scripts, and checkout page copy. Your process is rooted in research. You start by diving deep into the voice of the customer, reading reviews, forums, and conducting interviews to understand their pains and desires. You use tools like Notion or Google Docs for drafting, and analytics tools like Hotjar to see how users are interacting with your copy. The goal is to write copy that feels like it's reading the customer's mind. You build landing pages that convert, and clients pay big for results. Instead of charging by the word, you charge for a package. A landing page plus 5-day email sequence package could easily be $3,000 to $5,000. To get to $500 a day, you just need to land 2 or 3 of these projects a month. To really elevate your income, negotiate a performance bonus. For example, a 5% commission on all sales, generated through your funnel in the first 30 days. If your copy increases a landing page's conversion rate from 2% to 4%, you've literally doubled the client's business. That's a value proposition they can't ignore. Job 5. Subscription research packs. In a world of information overload, clarity is a valuable commodity. Startups, venture capitalists, and marketing agencies are desperate for curated high-signal information in their niche, but they don't have time to find it themselves. That's where you come in. You become their outsourced brain. You create a weekly or bi-weekly research pack, a concise, well-designed digital report summarizing the most important news, trends, competitor moves, and emerging opportunities in a specific industry. Think the weekly AI in healthcare report, or the fortnightly direct-to-consumer beverage brief. Your workflow is systematic. You use tools like Feedly and Google Alerts to aggregate information from hundreds of sources. You spend a few hours synthesizing the key insights, not just linking to articles. Then you use Canva to format it into a beautiful, easy-to-scan PDF and a tool like Beehive or Substack to distribute it to your subscribers. You provide weekly reports for startups who subscribe. The pricing model is recurring revenue, the holy grail. You might have a personal tier at $49 month and a team enterprise tier at $199 month that allows for wider distribution within a company. To hit $500 a day, or roughly $15,000 a month, You'd need about 300 individual subscribers or 75 team subscribers. While that sounds like a lot, these are business-to-business sales. A single company can be worth $2,400 a year. A sample pack might include a one-paragraph executive summary, 3 key trends with analysis, 5 notable startup funding rounds, and 1 under-the-radar company to watch. It's all about saving your clients time and making them smarter. So there you have it. 5 distinct paths to a $500 a day remote income. The worst thing you can do now is try to do all of them. The key is to pick one. Which one genuinely excites you? Which one aligns with a skill you already have, even if it's nascent? Specialize in that one area. Become the go-to person for that specific solution. Then, scale with systems. Create templates, processes, and workflows so you're not reinventing the wheel with every client or sale. This is how you build leverage and free up your time. $500 days are realistic if you commit. Here's a simple 7-day checklist to start. Day 1. Choose your path from these 5. Day 2. Research 10 potential clients or course ideas. Day 3. Create a bare-bones profile or landing page. Day 4. Draft your service packages and pricing. Day 5. Create one piece of content showcasing your expertise. Day 6. Reach out to 3 people in your target market for feedback. Day 7. Refine your offer. Action is the antidote to uncertainty. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff strategies to grow your online income. Now go get started.